My academic plan is finance. I think that the mega trend of demographic change is very important to finance. Population growth is needed to create wealth. Now, the aging of population is a big problem. It must be leading to the global economic going down. I think the mega trend of demographic change is affected by these three drivers: society, environment, and economy. I will show that why I think these three drivers are the main point of demographic change. And by the following words, I will make you know how the demographic change impacts the world finance. First, from the part of society, the fast urbanization is a big problem now. Like Vito says that economic growth will not keep up the population growth. People who live in city will have higher and higher economic pressure. So people migration to the developed countries for the work or economic opportunity, or like us moving for studies to the different country. When all countries are facing urbanization, mass migration is happening by people migration to the different country, living and working there. They will make the finance of the country going up. And secondly, some people migrate in response to the adverse effects of climate change, natural disaster, or other environmental factors. People's living environment was affected by global urbanization. Cities are facing resources scarcity, and the aging of the population means more resources are in the older people's pocket. And the aging of the population is heavier in the developed countries. When they migrate because of the bad environment, this country needs more young people to produce resources, and the older people brings the resource to the new country and will push the young people create new resources, and it will help the development of these countries. It's good to the global finance too. Lastly, from the part of economy, following the local resources price volatility, the economy faces globalization. People need to move between the different countries and the different places for the development and living. At the same time, to keep the finance going up, the rate of the population is must be. Migration is projected to be the primary driver of population growth in high income countries. In the foreseeable future, all knows that economy impacts the finance. In conclusion, these three drivers are all very close to the megatrend of demographic change. They affect each other and show how the megatrend of demographic change impacts the finance in the world.